What's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be doing a super quick tutorial on showing you how to upload YouTube videos on phone at a higher quality. Now you may have this issue because by default when you upload videos to a new account on your phone, they default set to like 480p, but today I'll be showing you how to upload at a higher quality. So let's get into this. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is install the YouTube mobile app and open that up once you've downloaded it, and up will come your home page. You'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already as well, and then hit your icon in the top right corner and up will come a menu like this. You're then going to want to scroll down to the bottom. You'll see at the bottom of the screen, hit settings. Now up will come up your settings. Just ignore all of that and go down to the bottom, scroll down, and towards the bottom you'll see uploads and upload quality. You're going to want to hit upload quality just underneath uploads, and up will come a menu like this. Now if you've been having issues with your videos, it's most likely because the default quality is set to 480 or 360p, but you're going to want to hit 1080p. Not full quality, because then it might still upload at a lower quality. 1080p, so then it's confirmed on that. And then you back out, that'll all be saved, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys, make sure to like the video if this helped you out. Comment below if your videos are still uploading at a lower quality and I'll try and fix it for you. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.